Hello friends, Jai Hind, Namaste. I'm Abhishek. Welcome you all on this channel. Hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying yourselves. So in this video, we'll try to understand about of mechanical engineering. I know there is a very negative perspective among students that mechanical engineering has opportunity, especially in India. Even that matters if any other core fields also compared to like civil and electronics department, etc. But we'll understand about of mechanical engineering. What is the present scenario? What would be the better opportunities for a mechanical engineering if they are pursuing their career, or they are still studying the mechanical engineering, or they wants to study mechanical engineering in it. So if you think that mechanical engineer has no future, so just watch the video and I'll let you know that there is a future for mechanical engineering. So I'll try to change your perspective. So come on, who am I? I'm a mechanical engineer. I've completed my engineering in 2021. I have years of experience in industry. So I have bit very small amount of experience, like exposure to a mechanical engineering. So I just want to make it, and with the policies and data, we are not gonna deal with any point of views or nothing. So we are completely dealing with the policies, what could how the future would be. So as everybody is aware about how the AI revolution is going on around any other branches also, even in IT department, there is lot of jobs has gone just because of mechanical, just because of AI. So how is it completely revolutionizing the complete technical field? So in this video, we'll try to understand everything around how the mechanical engineering is going to change, or what could be the future perspective of it. Clear? Come on, let's go. So firstly, we'll need to understand the present scenario of mechanical engineering, or the mechanical engineering. Completely after completion of your engineering, so we basically deals with the three branches. That is, so basically we deal with the three branches, that is CAD, CAE, and CAM. I just shortly explain what CAD is. CAD is nothing but computer aided design. Like you do your designing in some different tools like SolidWorks, NX, maybe CATIA. So you'll start your journey in designing with use of AutoCAD, right? So the majorly, if the automobile industries or aerospace industries or in defense field, lot of designing works has been going on. So the people, even for the even in PSUs, so they give vacancies for it, and the lot of designing opportunities will be available in that industries. So majorly in presently, the mechanical engineers get placed in those jobs. So even in CAE part, so I just give what the CAE branch is. CAE is nothing like previously. There is, after completion of your designing for prototyping, directly send it to manufacturing department. That is manufacturing. So for the manufacturing departments, because of this, there is lot of material loss, and it used to take a lot of time, right? So because for that reason, there's a new branch has been arise. It's very long time ago only. So there's new branch has arise, that is analysis. This basically a simulation department or analysis part, so which analyzes the already the designing part, it analyzes it, right? Even in this, we have different types of tools like hypermesh, ANSA or ANSYS. So in that, we'll perform different types of analysis in industries. So this comes around here CAE. And manufacturing, in this we have again, like it's completely like around lathe machines or drilling machines, or any kind of physical work will be surrounding a lot of manufacturing, or CNC machines. Nowadays the CNC machines are getting very hype, and so yeah, everything it comes around of in mechanical branch. So this is what the present scenario is. Anybody who is interested in CAE or in manufacturing, so we have opportunities even for them. Even the lot of automobile industries ask for students from a ask for students from a CAE department and from CAM department, for manufacturing department. So this is what the present industry scenario. So we need to understand, if there is a opportunity, if there is a jobs, so why there is it is tends to be said that there is no jobs for a mechanical engineer. It's because there are only there would be multiple regions, but we used to say like we have like it's general perspective that what could be the reason. So the reason is, the first is uh like job to student ratio. So let's say for example, for an instance, if I choose like we have 100 engineers, so for that engineers only we have job vacancies only for around 25 to 30 applications, sorry, 25 to 30 vacancies. So that is what, because we have no, according to the population we don't have enough opportunities. That would be the scenario. And the second scenario is there is no skill set, required skill set, because of the curriculum, because of the colleges, there is no skill set that what industries are needed. Clear? So that is what the main intention, that any core branch, not just the mechanical, any core branch, that would be electrical, civil, or ECE, any department, communication engineering, so any department that is lagging in the job market. So this is the present scenario. So because we have multiple OEMs, maybe could be Tata Motors, Hyundai, Mahindra, so we have top OEMs. So and they choose few students, maybe for an research engineers, maybe for a GETs. So they choose like they give opportunities to them. So we have opportunities, we have vacancies in industries, but the lacking with the vacancies and lacking with the skill set, even in the students. So that is the where major problem is taking place. So again, next question comes. So okay, we'll understand. Okay, we got fine understand about like we have these opportunities and we are lacking with this something. So what about the future? Is there is any opportunity in the future? So for future we need to understand about the future defines the how industries are changing. Let's say for example, the previously there will be only manual assembly line. Now we have an automation in every industry. In any automobile industry we have a robotic systems, will be working on it. So yeah, so this kind of evolution that is taking place presently, right? So now coming back, we have to understand our future with the government policies and vision, how the government is working on. So we everybody are aware about of making India and Atmanirbhar, what the government is talking about. Again, it depends. It again defines what actually would gonna happen, but these are the vision and policies of government. So the main thing about, if we have to have lot of jobs, especially in India, so we are have to work on manufacturing industries because we are the land of SMEs, like, right? So we have to have lot of manufacturing industries so that we can have a junk amount of manufacturing industry. Further, the government is like import dependency, global manufacturing hub. So the government is working on to get into manufacturing capacity, reduce imported dependency. These are the complete manufacturing. There are a few PLI schemes that completely working on electronics, as we all you are aware about of like how the government is working on to working in the region of semiconductors. So it's completely working on getting into a self-reliant and completely making the chips industries. Yeah, when eventually it takes time, even it takes decades or maybe half decade for achieving that level, but still the government is working on. Means it's very positive for an any engineer, if any it's very positive for a mechanical engineer or for electronics engineer or ECE engineer, so that if government is having a positive, at least they are finding out, at least they are doing it the uh, their platform for the engineers. So aim for global EV hub. EV revolution is completely going on. We have a lot of electric chargers and EV vehicles. All the auto because of sustainability policies, the limits of the carbon dioxide emissions. So now the government and even the all the industries, how the Tata Motors is working in the EV sector. So yeah, it's completely shaping the demand for the engineers. Yeah, so this is what the few policies, let's say for example, the future trends in mechanical and how it looks like powertrain, green hydrogen, plant energy. The majorly in the sector of robotics and automation, there a lot of work is getting on in robotics and automation with digital specialists. So in the CAD, IoT, data analysis, so everything is getting around. So but we need to understand like what are the changes in the curriculum what we needed. Forget about of the academia, forget about the how the colleges would be changing their curriculum. But if you are a student in a mechanical engineer, so how your study should be look like. Or if you are a profession in a professional mechanical engineer, so what skills do you enhance? So you enhance your designing skills, good. You enhance your CAE field core skills, good. If you are in a manufacturing where you traditionally used to work, good. but but add on to that how you are getting enhanced, that is what very important, because this is the era of interdisciplinary approach. You have to know about of both hardware and the software. If you are not aware about, if you are stubborn about understanding only what your core field is to tell, then you will be outbred. So you have to understand that you need a very core interest understanding about of both the hardware and the software part. So why just go with my words? Let's understand with the tools, AI tools. Let's understand with the AI tools what basically understanding is. So I have just gone through the perplexity. So in these videos, just we need to understand like complete overview of India tech education and growth, and just I have just given prompt. See, so just understand the technical education sector undergoing dual speed info transformation 25, computer science and AI ecosystems, what I have mentioned, AI overall core engineering disciplines. So face, see, mechanical engineer face an existent pivot struggling with perception issue, widening skill gap despite robust long-term industrial demand. So graduates visually like 54.8%. See, for future mechanical engineering, what could be the future lies in the interdisciplinary convergence. See, this is not my words. These are the researchers what they are saying. Will likely be mechatronics experts proficient in EV thermal management, in hydrogen systems, and IoT driven manufacturing. So this is what the future. You need to understand about of robotic systems. You have to understand about of electronics, how the basic internet works, how the basic understanding about of drivers. So you have to get an understanding about it. So tech education landscape, see, understand the see, crisis of relevance. So we have lesser job payrolls like 3.5 to 6 lakhs per annum while mass recruitment in IT offers. So this is what the basic understanding about. So I would be understanding like industry 4.0 opportunity, EV powertrain, robotics, engineering, hydrogen, digital specialist. So these are the future predictions, future opportunities for in industry 4, right? So you have to understand about of Python for simulation, ANSYS, and IoT. You have to overcome. You have to overcome your things like that. We have to learn only about of curriculum, what your curriculum is. So come around, because this is the era of digitalization. You can learn anything from just from your phone. So you can learn and understand about things. See, rise of green collar jobs, national green hydrogen mission targeted 6 lakh jobs by 2030. Roles will focus on electrolyzer manufacturing, plant operations, and specialized pipeline infrastructure. EV ecosystem with an estimated of 5 lakhs direct jobs by 2030. The auto industry is shifting from engine mechanics to battery system. So these are the future predictions. So the major education policy depends. Yeah. Recommendation for students and stakeholders. For students, do not rely solely on the university syllabus. Acquire a digital layer on top of your core degree. Learn MATLAB, Python, or PLC programming. Target internships in EV renewable fuel rather than traditional auto centers. For institutions, the general mechanical degree is obsolete. Electives in robotics, EV technology, and data analysis must be made mandatory to save core branches from irrelevance. So this is what the major understanding how I think it's very important for students now in this era. A few months will be getting into 2026. So you have to understand this is AI era. There is no uh, point that even for mechanical engineer they would be very hard for if the AI, if the robotic systems are completely in the market. They are still in R&D phase, so that we are not facing any kind of problem. We are facing a kind of problem, but not as much as the IT people are facing it. But once the robotic systems comes on the market, on the floor, we are going to find out the lot of trouble, because we are still in a lot of trouble. So if you have to get ahead with the time, you have to learn about of data science, you have to learn about of little bit of artificial intelligence, aware about if it how the systems work, about of IoT systems, etc. So just understand, don't just go with the curriculum, so you'll find a better opportunity in the future. So yeah, this is what just I want to explain you and just give a understanding about of it, like what mechanical engineer core fields looks like in future. So hope you got an opportunity, hope you got an clarity about it, and you will be understanding about it. So yeah, this is what the best opportunity that I want to show you all. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you find any helpful from this video, please consider subscribing the channel, like and share with you, especially for mechanical engineers and the people who say that there is no opportunity in mechanical engineering. Basically, show them that there is an opportunity for mechanical engineering, even for the core branches, what electronics, civil, which people say that there is no opportunity in India. So yeah, so this is what this video is. So see you in next video. Bye. Jai Hind.